Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video is a tutorial on connecting the Skydroid G20 to the CUAV V5Nano flight controller. Skydroid G20 Remote Controller is equipped with Qualcomm's latest 6nm processor and the Android 13 system, which can easily perform hardware decoding on H.264, H.265 and 4K video streams, and can run all kinds of ground station software smoothly. CUAV V5Nano flight controller is an autopilot designed by the CUAV and PX4 teams for businesses or enthusiasts who are extremely sensitive to space but want to get the power of V5. Its design is based on the Pixhawk FMUv5 standard and is perfectly compatible with PX4 and ArduPilot firmware. The video is mainly divided into 3 parts. What products are used in this test? How to wire them up? How to present the results? What products are used in this test? The products used in this test include Skydroid G20 Remote Controller, CUAV V5Nano, 5300 mAh battery. Cables used: JST to XT60 adapter, G20 power cable, G20 feeder cable, V5Nano power module, Skydroid G20S bus plus Telem cable. How to wire them up? Connect the Telem 1 SBUS port of the G20 receiver to the RC and Telem ports of the CUAV V5Nano flight controller. The connector for the Telem 1 SBUS port on the G20 receiver is GH1.255 pin. The telemetry port on the CUAV V5Nano flight controller uses a GH1.256 pin connector. The RC port on the CUAV V5Nano uses a 2.54mm 3-pin DuPont connector. Connect the feeder cable to the ANT port on the G20 receiver, then attach the antenna to the feeder cable. Connect the power module to the battery to power the CUAV V5Nano flight controller. Connect the adapter to the power module, and use the G20 power cable to connect the adapter to the receiver. The receiver power port uses XT30, and the other end of the cable uses a JST 2.54mm 2-pin connector. How to present the results. Short press plus long press to power on the G20 remote controller. Once powered on, open the remote. go to Tools Assistant. Then enter Advanced Settings. The password is 999. Check the UART port baud rate. The port should be set to 57,600. Open Fly GCS and the ground station will connect automatically. If not connected, click the top left corner and select Switch Connection. Find the G20 interface and connect to it. As for the CUAV V5Nano flight controller, we can now see the real-time flight status on the ground station. Open QGC ground station. Click the top left application settings. Select communication link, click Add, give it any name. Set type to UDP. Port to 14551. Set server address to 127.0.0.1. Then click Add Server. Finally click Save in the top right corner. In the communication link list, click Connect. Go back to the flight screen, move the flight controller, and you will see the real-time motion in the ground station. Click the top left corner to enter settings, go to the RC calibration page and move the controller sticks. You'll see the S.bus control is working properly. That concludes the wiring tutorial for connecting the Skydroid G20 with the CUAV V5Nano. Thank you for watching and supporting us. If you have any questions about the content, or would like us to go deeper into any part of the tutorial in the future, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue to bring you more reviews, tutorials, and practical guides on drone equipment. See you in the next video.